Good evening, distinguished guests, esteemed parents, and the Mehali school community. I extend my warm greetings to each one of you and feel honored to stand before you on this momentous occasion, the first annual function of Mehali School. Tonight, we are graced by the presence of our esteemed chief guest, Srimati Sandra Shroff, the Nathani family, our dedicated trustees, and all the wonderful parents gathered here. As we celebrate the culmination of our first year, I am filled with immense pride witnessing the remarkable success and growth of Mehali School. In this short span, we have ascended to great heights. In this short span, we have ascended to great heights and proudly claimed the title of the best state-of-art school in Bharuch city. Mehali School is founded on the principles of holistic development, a place where we earnestly focus on nurturing every aspect of a child's growth. Our mission goes beyond academics. We strive to mold responsible citizens equipped to face the challenges of the world. I extend heartfelt gratitude to Sri Ashraf Nathani, whose invaluable guidance, encouragement, and support have been instrumental in our journey. His vision, wisdom, and missionary zeal have inspired and paved the way for the success we celebrate today. From our humble beginnings to this moment, we have crossed numerous milestones. Today, our school stands as a pioneer of success, thanks to our exemplary infrastructure, cutting-edge facilities, and the relentless efforts of our dedicated teachers. To everyone who's been a part of this journey, I express my sincere gratitude. Your passion, commitment, and unwavering belief have played a great role in bringing us to this moment. Each parent, student, and teacher has contributed to building this edifice of excellence. The progress of any institution hinges on a committed faculty, supportive administrative staff, a wealth of resources, responsive students, and cooperative parents. Fortunately, Mehali School is blessed to have all of these essential elements. In our annual function today, you will witness every student taking the stage, a testament to our commitment to instill confidence in each child. We encourage them to dream because we firmly believe that if you can dream it, you can achieve it. Dear parents, I too have a dream, and together we can turn it into reality through collective efforts and the promises we make to our children. Allow me to share a favorite verse from Robert Frost's poem. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Thank you, parents, for your unwavering support. Now, in the tapestry of our community, there stands a man of extraordinary vision and determination, a modern-day pioneer who, brick by brick, brought forth a school from mere concept to tangible reality. His unwavering commitment to education has not only shaped the physical structure we stand in, but has also sown the seeds of knowledge, fostering a haven for intellectual and moral growth. Today, we raise our collective voice in profound gratitude and admiration for this architect of dreams whose legacy resonates not just in the walls of our school, but in the countless lives he has touched and inspired.